just bump the car into the mirror and right into Thomas. Then he pushed the car. Then Thomas's wheels went off the track. Then his wheels went off the track. That's a wicked Thomas. He's off the track. He's off the track. Then, Daddy.
Yeah.
Then, yes. Then go just little away. Then he has puffed his wheels backwards. Then his wheels went on the track. Then he was back on the wheels. He said, "Good, that wasn't nice. Oh, take your car away." No. And it pulled away into the shed. No! He shoved his car into the shed. Then it was hidden. Daddy.
Yes.
Bert's car was gone.
It was in the shed.
Yeah, it was in the shed.
He was taking a break in the shed?
Huh?
What's he doing in there?
Because Bert shunt Thomas's wheels off the track.
Oh, wow.
That wasn't nice. He shunt him right into the pond. He's pushed him on the wheels. Then he's taken the Batman. Then he's got some pieces to make the thing. Then they got some things. Then they just start making it. The carry thing. And they start making the carry thing. The carry thing. The Batman. He's put it and it. Workmen were fixing it. Workmen were putting it on. Finally, it was finished for Bert. That was a nice bird. And just I knocked him off! Get him! Oh, on! It's hard. No, not me!
No, down.